Hey you guys, hope everybody's been doing well. It's been a while. Don't know if I've showed you guys the Rhino yet, but I picked up this little guy a while back, and I haven't been using it like I should at the farm. I'm hoping to use it a lot more, but because actually now that I've got the pole saw mounted on top, it's real handy to get back there and do cleaning. So I'll have to show you some of that later on. But what's got me here today is nice. Just kick the camera. What's got me here today is I got off down in the bottoms, and I had to leave it overnight. Again, it's relatively new to me. Didn't realize all the starting features. I knew it had to be in neutral. Didn't realize there was any other option in starting it. But anyway, my neutral switch malfunctioned on me, and I couldn't get the thing cranked. That'll be another video. But in doing my research, I found out that it's also got a brake light switch. It will crank in gear if you've got your foot on the brake and the brake light's on. But that was broke on this one too. But I was able to fix that, and that's what I was going to show you. So let me get the hood open and get you up under the hood and show you what we've done. Okay, we've got the hood open, and here's the little switch. The way it works is the spring is attached to your brake pedal. When you mash the brake, it pulls this plunger out that turns on your brake lights. When that switch is pulled out and the brake lights are on, it also bypasses the safety that will not let your motor crank when it's in gear. If you've got your foot on the brake, the engine will crank. Well, with that little switch not working and my neutral switch both screwed up, I was stuck. So anyway, what I've done to fix this little guy here is taken it out, cleaned it with some brake parts cleaner, and then I put a little bit of no-ox, like you'd put on your battery terminals, on there, and that really didn't help. But what did fix it is I took a lighter. It would have been better if I'd had a torch, but didn't. But I heated up that spring, which got that grease nice and warm, and it ran down inside that plunger, and everything seems to be working right. Let me spin you around here, if I can do that without making you too awful dizzy. But as you can see, flip the switch on. We got brake lights now. So spin this back around here. We'll start putting her back together. It's got this little nut on it that's got an adjustment. Little guy slips right in there, and it's well, it fell right off. When it fights you this hard, usually you're doing something wrong. There we go. All right, there's your adjustment for it. You can set it as to where it pulls as hard or as soft as you like. These two little tabs go right down into this hole here. Let me just take you off the stand. You're not going to be able to see that. All right, let's see if I can make this make any sense. These little tabs right here, once you push it through the hole there, those pop out. So to remove it, you disconnect your spring from the brake and push in on these two little tabs, and that'll let it come out of the hole. So, little fella's in there now, and we'll move you around to the floorboard and show you how to reattach that spring. Alright, here we got our brake pedal, and up near the top we got this little hole right here, and here's our spring, and the goal is to get that little spring in that hole, and it's going to take me both hands. But once we do that, then we'll pop that little fella in, and this little repair should be complete. Let me sit you down. Alright, everything's all buttoned up under here. Sounds like work is beckoning. We're all put together up under here, and with the switch on, brake lights are working. So success. Anyway, guys, hope to see you soon. Got a lot more going to be showing you with the little Rhino. Got a chainsaw mount coming. Got to show you that neutral switch repair. Man, I could have got so lucky. Anyway, I'll get into that in another video. But anyway, talk to you guys later. Have a good one.